Good Thursday morning to you and welcome back. So for today, extending into tomorrow morning, we could have some slippery spots develop, more sloppy conditions as we head towards this evening, and then eventually we could have some blowing snow tonight extending into tomorrow. So I said travel conditions more at a moderate risk. We could have a few sporadic power outages because later on tonight we're expecting winds to gust around 35 to near 40 miles per hour. So it's not completely a non-existent threat for us. Isolated down tree limbs and branches possible. No big system, but you know, with those winds increasing, we start to see some of these impacts come into play. Here's the setup and what we have going on. Storm system over in Missouri is bringing in some rain and snow to areas downstate. This area of low pressure will track right south and east of us across the lower peninsula today. We are going to be on the edge of this. Second to that, we have this cold front that's moving in. It's going to move in as we head towards this evening into tomorrow from west to east, and that's what's going to usher in some cooler air, some blustery conditions, along with more lake effect snow. In the meantime, there are some advisories in place for southern Wisconsin extending through the northern lower. If you're headed to those places today, know that you're going to encounter whether that's rain or some wet, heavy, dense snow. This is how it looks as we put it into motion. The rest of the next couple of hours throughout, I would say about midday, you're in the clear as far as precipitation. After 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we are on the edge of that wet, heavy snow. So this could probably be coming down more as in the way of a little bit more of a rain and snow mixture in the far eastern areas of the UP briefly this afternoon. This is 5:30. And then some snow starts to move in across those western counties. That front dives in. We'll have lake effect snow take over tonight along those west and northwest wind belts extending through tomorrow. This is 8 a.m. tomorrow. Here's midday, and then it tapers off as we head towards the afternoon. We're also expecting some breezy conditions as that front moves in. So winds will increase this evening through tomorrow morning out of the north with gusts of around 35, some spots near 40 miles per hour. This is tomorrow afternoon as we start to really see those winds decrease and weaken. As far as snowfall amounts, we're not expecting a lot, 1 to 3 inches of snow in the west and the east, but within some of these lake effect bands, those darker shades of blue, we could push 3 to near 5 inches of snow within some of those more prominent lake effect bands. Temperatures for today, most areas in the low to mid 30s, a few upper 30s across the south central areas of the UP. Tonight we drop down into the teens in the west and 20s across the east, and then we don't really rebound a whole lot for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a more typical February day for us. It is going to be a cooler day. Most areas will be around the 20-degree mark. As we look ahead, we rebound rather quickly. We're back to an unseasonably warm stretch